jeez, I can't wait to drink Yoshi's Coke. What the hell are you doing?
I'm trying to drink your Coke.
It's not even Coke. Look at the bottle. It says ice cola.
You dumbass piece of crap, it says Coke.
Sam, you, Luigi, learn to read.
What are you gonna do, huh? You gotta go over the corner and cry.
Give me the cola back. Give it back. Give it back the cola.
Okay, fine. I'll give back the cola.
He wasn't supposed to put it in the thing.
Yeah, alright, we're getting back to the puppet thing.
Yeah, guys, So guys,
Alright, let's get back to it. Oh yeah, while he's over there, I'm gonna drink.
hey, Yoshi, you gotta pay your bills. Wait, why is there a knife here? Luigi,
Yes?
why is there a knife here?
He was gonna murder me because I was drinking his Coke.
What the hell? It's not even Coke. You're under arrest. No.
Okay. He was gonna murder me because I stole his cola.
It's ice cola.
Okay, he was gonna murder me because I stole his ice cola.
Okay. Yeah, let me call the cops. I mean, I am. Okay.
I get after him.
Okay, I heard something about someone trying to murder someone else. So where's the murderer?
Oh yeah, the murderer. He's right here.
Okay then.
No, you're not supposed to do that. You take him to jail.
Oh, sorry. I just got the job. Okay. You're going to jail.
Can't do anything.
Nailed it.
Hey, give me you. I want to go with you to the police station.
Let's go.
Anyway, we're giving away the cat. $10 million. So yeah, if you want to see
Anyway,
the cat,
guys, if you don't know who we are, this is Robin with the cat. Show your face.
we
That's Robin. Go check out his channel.
okay, I'll see you all right.
I made to Leave My Gaming. You saw it here first. Just kidding. You saw it on his channel first.
That's how you can leave my game.
This is Act 2.
Yeah, I'm with they leave my game.
And action. I wonder where my cola went. Finally got out of that infernal prison. Okay, let's go, cat. Show me to the cola. Wait, what the hell? Luigi, get in here.
Yes?
Where did my cola go?
I didn't drink it. That was the reason why you went to jail.
Where is my cola?
Right there. No, it is right here. You can refill the cup.
Well, where did the cola in the cup go?
Alright, I'm coming back on. Here's the key.
By the way, guys, go check out Super Mario Loading. It makes really cool videos. Don't tell him, okay? Guys. You might want to look at Yoshi.
Yeah, Yoshi's just hanging himself.
He's just hanging out.
Jeez.
If you excuse my little pun there. Okay. Guys, let's go see how Yoshi's doing. He's still hanging in prison. Stop trying to touch Luigi, Kipper.
Alright, I'm back with some cola. Did I get the right thing?
This is the place. That is not cola. So you're going to jail because you... Look what it says on the label.
Nutella.
Yes, so it's Nutella, damn it.
No, I meant, did I get this right?
That's ice cola. Not ice cola. Ice. Let's go check on Yoshi.
Alright. How to get rid of cops in the whole wide world. Oh, there we go. Hey, cop!
Yeah?
Do you know how to get rid of everything in the world?
Well, yeah, of course. We have more terrorists than cops, obviously.
Get to your cop! Now say to your chief. Oh crap.
Hey guys, the cop is a knife. Oh no, it's a pad.
No! Oh, hey! The cat's not. No, I didn't buy a cat. Get up! Did you see I flipped her? Just like, what?
A cat?
Just whacked in the face.
Move it, cat. I can't eat this cat. I'm eating the cat's arm.
Guys, you have to see this come with a cat. Come on, guys. You're gonna have to see this funny thing.
Cop eats cat.
Yeah, he literally has the cat's arm right now.
Hey, what the hell are you doing? I didn't say you could record me. Hey. Why can't I eat this camera?